y'all. Welcome back to another episode of whatever we're doing today. Today, we're eating. I got a lobster roll. It's not a cheap lobster roll, but I guess you can't have a cheap one. I wouldn't trust a cheap lobster roll, I guess. I am outside Super H-Mart in Niles, Illinois. And, I've tried several of their hot foods and cold foods, and it's good foods. I'm addicted to kimchi at the moment, and, well, I have been. It's an ongoing problem, but I'm taking something for it. Kimchi. I usually eat it every day on top of my beans and rice or whatever. These were always more than I wanted to spend, but nothing else looked good today, and I'm hungry, so we're getting a lobster roll. Also, I got some konjac jelly. Mango konjac jelly. Last time I tried this, it was good. I got it from another Japanese store. It took me 10 minutes to figure out how to get the stuff out. It's a gel. That's why it says jelly. You have to squeeze it from the bottom. Now I know. And it's the yogurt one was delicious. So we'll see how this is. Bread looks good. It's not bad. It's lobster roll. The bread is really good. Okay, I like it. $15 is a bit steep, but everything is these days. Let me, while we're here together, only 10 calories. It's good. Really good. Refreshing. It's shelf stable, in case you were wondering. It actually doesn't expire for another 2 years. So it's shelf stable-ish. Good thing to have on hand. That's a thumbs up. Maybe the best lobster roll in town, as far as I know. I like it. I may be addicted to konjac jelly now too. Maybe I'll start washing my sushi down, or my kimchi down with it. Very good. Anyway, that's it. If you're not familiar with H-Mart, it's a Korean mega store, Korean Walmart. Tons of foods and other stuffs. And right behind me is Daiso, which I've become addicted to. It's a Japanese dollar store, basically. although it's $2.25 and up. Yeah, even dollar stores aren't $1 anymore. So, what can you do? It's amazing all the things they have in Daiso, and there's always something new and exciting, and the prices are cheap. It's Japanese made, all of it, I think everything, which is better quality than the Chinese stuff you usually see. So I'm impressed. If you got a Daiso around, Daiso, give them a try, and you may get addicted too. Anyway, that's all we've got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!